Portable nebulizer. The Flyp Pocket Portable Nebulizer is the coolest little nebulizer that you've ever seen. I'm going to tell you all about this nebulizer in this video. Welcome, I'm Chris with AffinityHM.com, and let's get right into it. First, if you do breathing treatments, you're familiar with something else. Let me show you. This is a standard nebulizer compressor. You've got your neb kit, all of these hoses, and plus, worst of all, it's got to be plugged in for you to get to use it, which is fine if you're going to be home all day. These breathing treatments do a fine job. But you know what? Today, we're always out in the world traveling so much more, so why not check out the Flyp Pocket Portable Nebulizer? Let's go to the park. I'll tell you more. So yeah, breathing treatments are so important. You know, I think a lot of people that don't have a portable breathing treatment end up not doing some of their treatments, or maybe they're using an inhaler, a little puffer, you know, something like that, which is good. It's not great. It's always better to do an actual breathing treatment than it is to just you know, not do a breathing treatment. So so we're here at the park. And what I want to do next is we're actually going to take a look at the box, and I'm going to show you everything that you get whenever you purchase a Flyp Pocket Portable Nebulizer, and take the parts out of the box and let you see all of the parts, and I'm going to tell you some more details about what this actual nebulizer compressor is capable of. So here it is, the Flyp Pocket Portable Nebulizer in the box. This is exactly what you get whenever you purchase your Flyp. And first thing I want you to see is just that it's a cool little box. Fill, click, breathe. Inside the box, you're going to get all of the instructions that you possibly need, and definitely take a look at those instructions. Take those out and read all of those instructions. Here's the actual machine coming out of the box. Super small, as you can see. And with the Flyp nebulizer, of course, you got the mouthpiece flips up like this. You have the cartridge in the back, and the mouthpiece actually will come out. It's magnetized, and back here in the back, the cartridge is where you actually put your medicine. The cartridge is replaceable as well, so the cartridge can be replaced. This is where the medicine goes. Just flip that up. You place your medicine in here. This medicine cartridge will actually hold up to 6 mLs. So a standard basic breathing treatment is 3 mLs. Albuterol is what's used most often. So you actually could put 2 in there. But if you're just using one vial or 3 milliliters, then average breathing treatment only takes about 5 minutes with this. And then, so you put your medicine in, you lift it up, you turn it on right here, and just listen. Now, you may hear the AC of the car right now, but that's the only thing that you can hear. The Flyp Pocket Portable Nebulizer is so quiet that you actually can't even really hear it running. So this charges up in about an hour and a half. After it's charged, you're going to get approximately 15, maybe more, of either breathing treatments or cleanings out of it. So let's see what else we get in the box here. Of course, you're going to need your charging cable. It comes with a nice little carrying bag to protect it while you're traveling out and about. And then lastly, you get your little charger cable right here, and it simply just plugs in to the side of the machine right here. You plug one end in there, the other end you plug into the wall. In an hour and a half, it's fully charged, and like I said, you get about 15 breathing treatments out of it after it's fully charged. So I tell you what, let's go in the park. I'll tell you more about how this machine actually works. I forgot to mention it also has a 3-year warranty, but let me tell you a little bit about how this actually works, because it's super cool. So like your basic breathing treatment, the standard compressor that you saw at the beginning of the video is just compressed air that hits liquid medication, changes it into a mist. But it's genius the way the Flyp works. It actually is all in this cartridge right here. It's the size of, approximately the size of a dime or something like that, and this disc right here actually has thousands of tiny microscopic holes in it. The thickness of that disc is about half of one human hair. So it's very thin with lots of holes in it. And what happens is that disc actually vibrates whenever it contacts the medicine. You turn it on, it vibrates, and it creates this very small little aerosolized particle that you actually can breathe right into your lungs. And so again, the way it works is you put your medicine into the medicine reservoir, you turn it on right here, you seal your lips around the mouthpiece, breathe in and out through the mouthpiece, and these treatments again are only about 5 minutes. It does the treatment so much faster. You know, with a standard nebulizer compressor, as you know, it takes maybe 12-15 minutes. It takes a good bit longer to do a breathing treatment. So lastly, I want to tell you how to clean your Flyp pocket portable nebulizer. We came back into the office, man, it was hot out there, so we're back here in the office. Hopefully you can hear me well. Now, it's extremely important to make sure that you clean your Flyp nebulizer after every treatment. What you're going to want to do, come over here a little closer, and after every single breathing treatment, you're going to want to just take the mouthpiece off, and you see it just pops right out. Wash this with some warm soapy water, just some mild warm soapy water, and then on the Flyp, flip it over, and your reservoir where you've had your medicine, first you want to make sure that that reservoir is empty. So if there's a little bit of medicine remaining in there, just go ahead and dump it out, get the medicine out, place it back here, and then you're going to want to take some distilled water, and you maybe use an eyedropper or something along that line. Put your distilled water in here, fill it up, close it. And now the Flyp actually knows whether it's in use mode or cleaning mode. So let me show you again. When you're using the Flyp, it's just click once and you get this blue light. All right, let me turn that back off. But whenever you're cleaning the Flyp, you actually want to hold that button in for 5 seconds. So let me press that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your light is different in cleaning mode. So backing up, you put your distilled water in there. You hold this down for 5 seconds, it's in cleaning mode, and you just let it run in cleaning mode for approximately 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes. What it's doing is it's running that distilled water through the system, through that disc especially that we talked about, to make sure that disc is clean. After about 60 seconds, you just turn it off. Your Flyp is clean. You can empty if there's any more distilled water remaining in there, just empty that out. And then finally, if you want to really clean it to a whole nother level, you can do the same process, but use a little bit of white vinegar in there and close it, put it into cleaning mode by holding it for 5 seconds, run it for 1 minute with vinegar, and that's going to kill any mold, bacteria, virus that might actually be present. So that's how to clean the Flyp. Again, thank you so much for joining us. Stay on this channel, check out some other videos. We have lots of videos about medical equipment, all types of medical equipment, and we appreciate you being here. Please subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.